Hey there, it's Amy Harber with another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. This is the Walmart Special Edition Winter Seasonal Box. Not to be confused with the normal quarterly box. This is the Spa Treatment box. There were two different boxes. I went with the Spa Day box, which has a lot of cool, fun products that I can't wait to tell you about. Let's get into it. So hey, this is the Walmart, the seasonal winter one, the Spa Day. Now here's the thing with the seasonal special boxes. One, they're a little bit bigger, as you can tell. This is what like a normal box looks like. They're bigger, they have more products, and they do cost a little more. I think this one cost about $12 compared to the regular, I think like 5 or 7 that the quarterly, the standard quarterly is. Then, of course, the big difference is also everything that you see in here is everything that you get in the box. So there we go. This is to create a spa experience at home with pampering treats that will keep you glowing from head to toe. So first we have the Bliss I Got This foil back holographic under eye so that you don't get puffy eyes. Put them on there. They reduce dark circles too. Then everybody's talking about drinkable collagen. Well, I'm going to try this Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen. It's supposed to help with your skin, hair, nail, and joint support. And it's got 120 milligrams of my favorite ingredient that I can't pronounce, hyaluronic acid. Apparently you can drink it too. We're going to find out. This is called Lavender Lemon. Can't wait to try it. Then we have some pretty decent size bottles of Tresemme Pro Pure shampoo and conditioner. Clear and gentle, free of sulfates. Here's what I don't like about these size bottles of conditioner. They never want to come out. But at least this one's clear so I can see how much conditioner is left in the bottle. Yay. Then we have Biore, the charcoal strip, you know, goes over your nose and then you pull it out and you're like, ew, outside nose boogers. Yes. What's really gross is when people put them under microscopes. It's disgusting. There are those videos on YouTube. Then we have one of my favorite cosmetic lines, the NYX Fill and Fluff Clear Brow Pomade. So it's got the brush on the one side. It's got the pomade on the other. Let's try it out. See if it can make my eyebrows look, I don't know, awesome. Okay, let's brush the eyebrows. And then smooth them down. Twist it. Okay. So it's clear. Then you just gotta brush it into place. There we go. Now I guess you can kind of tell the difference. Maybe I should do the other side so I don't look like, I don't know, asymmetrical weirdo. Not that anything's wrong with that. Just, I like to look halfway decent. There we go. There we go. Oh, so apparently it works. Now if I can just remember which thing goes on. There we go. Yay. And then we have, ooh, I just got my nails done. But we got Essie, and I know I've used this color before. I just know I have. It's gold. It's like an exclusive gold color. but it looks pretty much like the same as any other gold color that I've had by Essie. I can't wait to try it next time I get my nails done. We'll totally be taking it to the salon. Yay! Then we have e.l.f. Facial Calming Oil, infusing wellness and beauty. It's a custom mix formulated with unique blends of essential oils to boost your mind and body. Ooh, that is very calming. I get scents of lavender. It's wafting. It's wafting. Oh, and now I'm about to blow out my nose because the next item is a woodwick mini hourglass candle, and it is in Fraser Fir. Okay. Oh, it's got like a little insert here that says it is a soothing crackle with a wood wick with a fast fragrance that gives you a better burn. As long as it doesn't explode like some of those candles that I've seen like from Aldi and Bath & Body Works, and that's why you should always put them in like a candle holder. That way if they explode, they're contained. Cannot wait to take a nice hot bubble bath and put this in the corner of my bathtub and listen to it crackle while I soak. Spa day and a box right there, courtesy of Walmart. Hit the subscribe when it pops up. This is where to find me. Subscribe, watch another video. I don't know which corner it's in. It's going to be in one corner. Do it. Also, hit that little notify so that you know when I go live. Until next time, stay beautiful.